when you're in the workshop and see, when you understand, there's a difference that can be tricky. There's a difference between understanding the material, what you're talking about, and experiencing the material live while you're talking about it, and sometimes you can't tell the difference. Why? Well, because the concept is there to represent the experience. See? And you can be going along and slip into the concept. Why? Because it's easier. You understand? It's easier to spout beliefs than it is to actually get an experience. See? It's easier to go through yamma, namma, namma, namma than it is to actually know what you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? See? So, and you know, we're not immune to this. And so you might be going along, and plus, besides, you know, being easier, it's easy to do, so it's easy to slip into that. Besides that, you know, you're going along and you're working with these people and they're going, yeah, yeah, yeah. And you don't believe them because, you know, fuck it. People lie. They're just believing. You see, they're believing. Yes, I understand. I'm believing. You say, okay. Then you go, okay. Now I got to do some hard work here. I got to kick their ass. I got to confront them. I got to make them uncomfortable. I got to somehow get them involved in this thing because they're just believing it. They're just in concept, and that's not going to do them any good. Only if they actually experience it for themselves will it do some good. But that's a lot of aggravation for me. You following my gist here? You see, I'll just be blunt because, you know, blunt works better. If these assholes want to cruise through the goddamn workshop, why should I tire myself out? Why should I go to the extra mile when they're obviously not willing to do it for themselves? I could cruise through this thing easily. I could just easily go, blah, 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 blah. Yeah? You like that? Here's some more. Cool. Now go home. Leave me alone. Could do it, right? Would they know the difference? No. Not unless I do a lot of fucking work to get them to know the difference. See? But they're going to go home and they're going to have a lot of concepts and they're going to tell their wife or whatever, or their husband, or their roommate, oh, I did this workshop, yeah, it's really good, and then the next day they forget the whole fucking thing, and it doesn't make much difference in their lives. So you can see, I see it as my obligation to do that. It's kind of like, that's what you hired me for. And so if you're going to hire me for that, I got to kick your ass. But it's not easy for me. You understand? I'd rather go have a fucking beer. You know, I mean, sometimes I'd rather facilitate, but, you know. But I like beer. See? And so it is fucking difficult to get across to people. You should know. I've been trying to get across to you stuff for 4 months. How am I doing? Is it working? Has it transformed your fucking life? Are you 100 times more conscious now than you were before? Do you experience stuff you never experienced before? If there's a yes there, then good, I've done my job. If not, damn, I'm going to go have a beer. Okay. Now, you know, the good news about a workshop, it's intense. People know it's like, okay, got a week. They're there for something, right? See? So it's not impossible to get them on board. It's just that, you know, more and more, like I said, ever since I wrote the books, people come in and they're fucking believers. They're fucking followers. Not that there's anything wrong with that. No, there's something wrong with that. Anyway, see, and breaking them free of that is harder. See, before I used to got normal people. I mean, normal, intelligent, interested people. Usually, you know, in the old school, it was a university school, so you got people from the university, you got people, and it's also fucking, you know, San Francisco Bay Area, so you got lots of variety of people. Usually intelligent, craftspeople, art people, you know, professors, whatever, psychologists, etc. You got scientists, you got all kinds of people. Plumbers, you know, whatever. I mean, you got all kinds of people. See, but they're regular people, and they have some interest, obviously, they come, you know. But I say something like that, they go, what? No, that can't be true. No, I don't like that idea. You see? Nobody says that anymore. It was inevitable. Well, okay, I don't know if inevitable is the right word, you know, but it happened, okay, that when we got to the part, right, in the sequence of encounter, and we're talking about experience, perception, cognition, blah, 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 somebody would always say, well, wait a minute, doesn't experience come after perception? Nobody says that anymore. Why? It's a no-brainer, right? See, you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about when I say experience, then perception. See, but nobody says it. Why? Because they believe too much. Well, if he says it, must be true. I'll just go along with it. That didn't used to happen. People would challenge me. You know? See, and I go, good. Now we get into it. See, what you're calling experience, blah, 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 blah. So you see, we're making a distinction. But nobody does that anymore.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.